Namaskar everyone, I Sumit Kumar wholeheartedly welcome you all to this video. This video is for students who have completed their 12th class and starting undergraduate course, especially in engineering. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you for passing the IIT JEE exam. This exam is considered to be one of the toughest exams in India. Irrespective of marks and ranks, now you all are on the same platform. It is up to you who will go where depending upon your dedication towards study. All of you must have done in-depth study about the college and branch during the counseling for taking admission. However, spend your first few weeks of your college initial days in knowing your department. In whichever department you have taken admission, know the basic things about the department. Take a brief look at the curriculum of 4-year course of your branch. Just like there are different specializations in medical, every engineering department has their sub-specialization. Know about the sub-specialization in detail. Visit the departmental website and read the profile of each faculty of your department. Take a tour of your department in person and visit all the laboratories and get a glimpses of the list of experiment of each laboratory. There is a famous saying, prevention is better than cure. The purpose of saying this proverb here is that many children delay their study thinking that there are many days left for the exam. We will study when the exam comes. This is absolutely a wrong practice. You should prepare your plan for the next 6 months from the time your semester starts. First of all, you must know the list of all the courses that you are going to study in this semester. Then take a brief look at the syllabus of all the courses. If any similar course is running in NPTEL, then register there. I'll explain in detail about NPTEL in subsequent slide. Ask the concerned faculty about the reference books of each course and get it from your institute library. If possible, try to purchase at least one book every semester. There are some important things that you should do immediately or on the same day after the class. Whatever has been taught in the class, revise it on the same day after reaching your hostel or room. Whatever theory you are studying in the class, try to understand it by connecting it with real application. Try to ask your teacher as many as questions in the class or after the class in the faculty room. If for any reason your doubts are not clear in the class, then politely and with permission meet your concerned teacher after the class and get your doubts cleared. If you have any doubts about any simple or easy question, never hesitate to ask it. The more you ask question, the more your knowledge will enhance. You all know that honesty is the best policy. If a person is not honest to himself, then he cannot be honest to anyone else either. Whenever you get any homework or assignment, do it by yourself. If you have any doubts, get help from the reference book, journal paper. If needed, meet the concerned faculty and clear your doubts. Do not copy assignment from others. Laboratories plays a vital role in understanding all the theoretical concepts that you have studied in the class. Whatever lab you are going to do, first understand its theory and principle. Every experiment is conducted as per an Indian standard. Read carefully that IS code before performing the test. Whatever result you have received after the experiment, analyze it properly. Compare the result with a standard or ideal result. Write the lab manual in your own words as per your understanding. Most of the experiments are also available on virtual labs. The virtual labs project is an initiative of the Ministry of Education, Government of India, where a student can perform experiment virtually. Most of the engineering students aspire to study in IITs, but due to seat limitation, all students cannot get admission there. All those students who are not studying in IIT can also study and get certificate from IIT. NPTEL is a bridge connecting the non-IITians student to IITs. The National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, that is NPTEL, is an Indian e-learning platform where you can get lectures taught by eminent professor from IITs or IISc. In the starting of each semester, NPTEL offers various courses. Register at least one course which is running parallelly with your college curriculum. To easily access NPTEL, you may download SWAYAM app. This is a very user-friendly app. You can get all the relevant information through this app. Whenever a topic is completed in the class, solve the previous year questions related to it. Then you will get an idea of how questions are asked from that topic. Solving the question will make your concepts more clear. There is a YouTube channel named NPTEL GATE Portal. Here you will get all the previous year question of GATE. The specialty of this channel is the most of its videos are of 4 to 5 minutes long. In every video, only one question and its related theory is discussed. In today's eras of artificial intelligence, most of the engineering problems, regardless of the field, are being solved through software. Computer science, electronics are the department of software. However, in the civil engineering or mechanical engineering department, software becomes very important. All the students must learn at least 3 software during the undergraduate course. Every student, whether engineering or non-engineering, must know Word, Excel, PowerPoint of MS Office. After completion of the 4th semester, try to do an internship during every semester break. By doing internship, whatever theory you have studied in the class, you will understand it better by doing practical training. Try to ask as many questions as possible to your supervisor or mentor during training. Also, prepare a report of your practical training. For overall development or holistic development, it is necessary to do extracurricular activity besides studies. You may join departmental or institutional clubs in your institute. Before joining a club, you must make sure whether this club will benefit you academically or not. Join a club only if it helps you academically. Always remember one thing, a wolf lives in a pack, but a lion makes its marks alone. Wherever you are, work in such a way that people consider you as an expert in that work. Every individual, institution and society has a social responsibility. Being a student, it is also your responsibility to do something for the underprivileged people. You can organize awareness program in remote areas where people are still deprived of basic necessities. Many children, despite being good at studies, are unable to pursue higher education due to lack of information. You may visit nearby places and organize an awareness camp and aware the children and their parents about various government schemes and scholarships. Motivate them to pursue higher education. Describe them how to get admission in engineering or medical college. Knowledge is the only thing that increases by sharing. If you want to be successful, then you must be punctual. Do not miss your academic classes unless an emergency arises. One of the negative things about our country is that most of the people do not reach on time. Indian Railway is one of the example. If all things start happening on time in our country, then our country will become developed by 2037 instead of 2047. If you bring discipline in your behavior from now itself, it will become your habit and you will always be on time. and will directly contribute in developing the nation. People are recognized by their knowledge. However, posture and gesture enhance person's personality and interpersonal relationship. गुरु गोविंद दोऊ खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु अपने गोविंद दियो बताए. The meaning of this doha is first bow down in front of your guru, because he is the only one who made you meet to meet God. Similarly, we achieve our aims in our life through the motivation of our gurus, our seniors. Teachers are the reason why ordinary students think to do extraordinary things. I hope you all know the story of Guru Dronacharya and Arjuna, where Guru Dronacharya asked all the students about their aim. Arjun became the one of the greatest archer in the world because he was only looking at his target. Similarly, you should also set your one and only one goal and work hard to achieve the goal. Most of the students are unable to understand their goals due to lack of information about future prospects. In your first few days of college, get information about future scope in different fields. Try to understand your skills. If you are confused, talk to your parents and elders and then set your goals. Never ride in two boats thinking if this does not happen then I will do that. No, this is a very wrong thinking. Do your daily tasks such that every task takes you closer to your goal. After completing graduation, you can either go for higher education or get a good job based on your knowledge and skills. Apart from this, you can test yourself in the field of entrepreneurship or you can give new wings to your dreams. If you clear exams like GATE, NET, then you will get monthly scholarship to do masters or PhD. After doing masters and PhD, you can become a faculty researcher or scientist in a reputed academic or R&D institute. Today in India, not only the highest paying job, but also the most respectable job is that of a professor. Many people are either unwilling to study more or are in a hurry to earn money. In such a situation, students want a job immediately after graduation. Those who want to earn maximum money do private job, and those who want to live a peaceful life want government jobs. Both the jobs have their own merits and demerits. Whether you aspire to a government job, your own internship or something else, don't miss to attend college placement drive. Attending written test or interview will improve your presentation skills. If you are knowledgeable in your field, then you will be easily selected for the job, be it a government or private job. To get it, it is necessary for the student to have three things: knowledge, knowledge, and knowledge. You must have relevant theoretical knowledge, how to apply it in the practical field, and how to present your skill to the interviewer. Get the previous year questions paper from the training and placement cell. By solving these questions, you will get an idea of what type of questions are being asked in the placement drives, and it will help you to succeed in the exam. There are abundance of websites available in the public domain from where you can get placement and interview related questions of various companies. Government job is a social service. Through this, you directly contribute to the country development. However, today, there is so much corruption in government jobs that people do it for enjoyment and peace without doing their basic duty or responsibility. If you want a government job, then you should start preparing from the second year itself. Try to form a small group of students who have similar goals and study in a group. Avoid unnecessary activities that have no direct connection to your academics and goals. Many public sector companies in India recruit on the basis of GATE scores. The engineering service examination is a test conducted annually by the UPSC to recruit officers to various engineering services under the Government of India. There are many state level exams being conducted for the direct recruitment of assistant engineer or junior engineer. Nowadays, many people have become addicted to watching reels and YouTube videos. Watching reels or video is not a bad habit at all if it is helping you achieve your goals and if you are increasing your academic knowledge from it. Every person, irrespective of his profession, should remain aware of the social, political, and economic news happening in the country, world, and around him. In your free time, revise science and social science which you studied in your school time. We have some fundamental duties towards our country. We have given some fundamental rights. All these things depicted in the holiest book of India, that is Constitution of India. Know all these things and other important things from the Constitution of India. In order to increase the TRP, many news channels show less news and more noise. Do not watch such channels and do not let anyone in your home watch them. Watch DD News, Sunset TV, All India Radio Bulletin at least once a day. There are many academic channels which provide current affair news. You can watch them also. You all must have heard the names of Reliance, Adani, Paytm, Ola, Flipkart, Oyo. All of them started a small company on their own and today they have become owners of thousands of crores. Entrepreneurship is an area where you can also think about and become the owner of a company and let nobody rule over you. There are many benefits of having your own business such as there is no hassle of taking leave, there is no problem of office timing. So you are the boss of your company. To become a successful entrepreneur, first identify your talent and interest. If there is a scope for a startup or business in that field, then research about it and gather all the information related to its current trends in the market. Obviously, funding is the most important factor in starting a startup. If you do not have any money related problem, then it is okay. Otherwise, you can take advantage of government schemes. There are lots of funding schemes in India which you can avail. To make any business successful, it needs a good strategy. The most important thing is the output. Whatever service you are providing, the customer should like it. The more satisfied your customers are, the more your business will grow. The summary of the entire video is in this slide. Now you are turning 18 years of age. In a few days, you will be free to take your own decisions. Whenever you are in dilemma or do not understand the situation, you should only listen to your parents. All your problems will be solved. Do not do anything that you need to hide from your parents. Create an environment around you that will help you to reach your goals. The job of a teacher is to provide education. If the student follows the path shown by the teacher, then he will definitely be successful in his career. You should worry more about getting the knowledge than getting a job. The job will surely come to you by itself. There is nothing like shortcut, so keep working hard. No one can stop you from being successful. I hope this video will motivate you to improve your daily habits to reach your goals. No one has any shortcomings. किसी के पास कोई कमी नहीं होती. हर क्षेत्र में सफलता की संभावना है, बशर्ते आप उस क्षेत्र में शिद्दत से मेहनत करें. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.